Hello, this is Joanne coming to you with 12 work from home jobs with no experience required. You don't need any experience for these work from home jobs. Before I go any further, if you would like any more information on how to make money from home, any passive income opportunities, any side hustles, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so when I do videos in the future, you will be the first one to get notified. Starting with number one is called Windy City Call Center. This is in Jacksonville, Florida. Virtual call center rep. You can make up to $11 an hour. A phone sit. Okay, they will give you a phone set. A phone set will be required for this position. And this is in Jacksonville, Florida. You don't need any experience for these 12 work from home jobs. Just saying it again so you will know. You don't have to worry about a bachelor's or an associate's. None of that. Number two is called Renewal by Anderson. They have so many commercials about this. And this is a customer service rep. 25 to $35 an hour. No experience necessary. You could pick your own schedule, work around your personal life. Paid training. They will pay you for training and ongoing schedule support. They will pay you for training and they will help you. And like what I'm trying to say is, once you get the job, they will help you as you go along. Don't forget to share the video if you know somebody that might need a work from home job with no experience required. Uh, um, I just want to say thank you again for coming to my channel. I so appreciate you. Number three is called Lincoln Financial in Greensboro, North Carolina. Customer service rep. Answer inquiries from customers on retirement plans and services. What I do different from my channel is give you a brief summary of the job. Just to give you an inkling of what the job is about. That's what I do, and I usually give the city and state if they actually have one. So that's just different what I do with my channel. So give you an opportunity to know where the job is, and just to cut time because I know you got things to do. And number four is CIOX Health Client Service Rep. Receive incoming requests for information and respond to requests by opening emails, telephone, and inquiries. Anything that has to do with online, that's what you're going to be doing. Like connecting with the customers. Number five is called Dame Teleservice, Raleigh, North Carolina, independent contractor for a call center. $8 to $14 an hour. No experience necessary. None. You're going to manage large amounts of incoming and outbound calls with efficiency and courtesy. That's what you're going to be doing. Six is called Employu, and this is in Wauchula, Florida. Job coach, $14 to $15 an hour. All you need is excellent communicational skills. That's it. Everybody have. Hey, I know you got excellent communicational skills, or you wouldn't even cross. You would have crossed over my channel. I know you want a job. I not feel you. Seven is called CBRE in Columbus, Ohio. What? Customer service rep, $15.50 an hour. Sorry, I'm all over the place. My apologies. You should have my undivided attention. I apologize for that. And it says a high school diploma if you have one, but it's not needed. No experience necessary. You don't have a high school diploma, it's all good because it is what it is. Number 8, I'm almost finished. 8 is called Pathway Insurance, Cincinnati, Ohio. Insurance account rep $17.30 to $24 an hour. That's pretty freaking awesome. You're going to be making policy changes and recommend coverage for clients. So you're just going to be helping them with their decisions on what type of insurance that they need for their family. That's all you're going to be doing. 9 is called Tom+Toole Sales, and this is in Newtown+Square, Pennsylvania. Real estate agent, no experience necessary. You can make up to $100,000 a year. Communicate and interact with clients over the phone, email, and social media. 10 is called United Way of Greenville County, Greenville, South Carolina, and this is a Vita appointment. You're like a appointment setter. You're going to be setting appointments. $15 to $18 an hour. Bilingual preferred. If you Spanish, even better. 11 is Next Door SEO. Charlotte, North Carolina, appointment setter, $15 to $30 an hour. No experience necessary, except for you just need to have great communicational as well as listening skills. 12 is Brio Energy, and this is a solar lead setter, $18 an hour. Schedule appointments with homeowners, setting goals and achieving them as a team player with the company. I hope that any one of these 12 work from home jobs that can help you in your endeavors looking for a work from home job. I hope that any one of these going to help you. Subscribe to the channel if you want more information on how to make money from home, passive income, survey sites that give out daily payout cash into your PayPal account. These are 12 work from home jobs that you don't need any experience, none. So don't forget to click on any links that you're interested in and just start the process. With that being said, I want to say thank you for coming to my channel and showing love and support. Don't forget to share the video with any of your friends, family members, anybody that need a work from home job. And I hope that any of these 12 work from home jobs is going to help you in looking for work. That's all I want for you, is to get a job, make some money for your home so you can pay your bills, buy you something nice, or whatever you want to do with your money. But at least with these 12 work from home jobs with no experience, you don't have to worry about a bachelor's degree, an associate's degree. You don't have to worry about none of that because you don't need any experience with these jobs. All you need with 99.9% of them is communicational skills. I know you have communicational skills. So get paid for using your communicational skills and your interpersonal skill and your listening skill. Get paid like $15.50 an hour. You know what I'm saying? You could do that. And it's work from home. So you don't have no excuse to get a job. And I'm going to give you these 12. And I want to help you and guide you anywhere that I can. So thank you for coming to the channel and showing love and support. And I will see you on the next video. Enjoy this beautiful evening and stay blessed. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.